Hello. Suppose you're working on a project, and for that project, you need 98 crayons. When you want to buy the amount of crayons required, you don't just go off and buy 98 crayons, right? One thing we often do is then we buy something that would be enough for us. So we don't want it to be too small, neither do we want it to be too much. So in that kind of a case where you need 98, you then go for 100. You buy 100, which would be just enough for the project you are doing. What you have done in that scenario is you have rounded up 98 to 100. It is something we do quite often. So let us learn the definition of rounding off numbers. So let's define. Rounding off numbers is a mathematical operation that involves approximating a number to a degree of accuracy based on how close it is to the actual value. So just like in the case where you approximated 98 to 100, you see that 98 is very close to 100. So in that case, you just rounded it off to the next value that is very close to it, and you use the number 100. So let's look at the definition of rounding off numbers once again so that you get it. So we say rounding off numbers is a mathematical operation that involves approximating a number to a degree of accuracy based on how close it is to the actual value. And that's the meaning of rounding off numbers. Thank you.